Hey guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. Today is a Thursday, a very miserable, dark, grey, rainy Thursday, but there's just nothing better than being at home when it's raining outside, feeling so snug. I've got my cable knit cardi on, I've got a very sleepy cat sat next to me, and I've got work to do, but it's kind of a quiet day, which is nice. So I have also got some homey stuff to do, and I thought I could bring you along for the day. So my first job, well actually it's not my first job, I have been at my desk all day, but I have, if you follow me on Instagram you'll have seen that I have spent a good couple of hours the past weekend washing my makeup brushes, and they're all finally dry now. So I'm just going to take these drawers down. So I keep my makeup brushes in these two drawers. I need to refill them with all of the brushes that I have cleaned. Okay, you're going to sit in the drawer whilst I carry them because I haven't got enough hands. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Shit. Okay, I am officially an idiot. I rested, oh my god, what is going on with my camera? I rested a cup of tea into one of those cabinets and it spilled over when I was carrying it down. So now I've got more, I've got more makeup brushes to wash, and there's a lot of tea at the bottom of that. Why am I like this? That is so annoying. But a good thing, because I found some brushes I forgot I had. So here are all of my brushes. They have been drying in the bath on a towel and they are all dry now, so I can organise them and sort them. And as you can see, I have definitely got some favourites. This Bare Minerals one is amazing for their powder foundation. I love the It Cosmetics one for liquid foundation, and it has the concealer brush on the other end. Similarly, this Bare Minerals one is amazing as well. I've got a lot of Bobbi Brown ones that I really love, and then I get through a lot of eyeshadow brushes, but it has been a very long time since I washed all of these. I'm very, very lucky to have just collected somehow so many brushes over the past years, so once they get dirty, which I normally swap them out every week, once it's dirty I'll just swap it out, put it in a box until the next wash, which is why I've just got through so many. I'm now just going to put them back into all of these containers. My favourite ones in here. This is one of my favourite eyeshadow brushes, again Bare Minerals. It's like a really fluffy wide brush, great for blending, so they are all going in here. I also love a brush that kind of looks like this, and I use these for like underneath the eye, like smoking out some eyeshadow under there. These are all from different brands. Okay, they are all packed, and I'll probably get a question about how I wash my brushes, so I thought I'd quickly show you. I get any old brush cleaner. You can use like, is it that Dr. Bronner's one? Dr. Bronner's soap that has like a million different uses. Or I use a Beauty Blender one. This is great because it has a pump, so you can just pump it at the top and it comes out. I also got this from Amazon last year, Eco Tools makeup brush. And I used to just like get them wet, swirl them around in the shampoo, like rub against my hands and rinse until it like runs clear. But my hands used to get super sore, so I also got this little thing. Just like slip it onto your hand and you can just like get the brush and like swirl it around the different knobbles, and it helps like get all the dirt out of them. So that is what I use now. My hands are all sticky again now for some reason. It's gross. Okay, and then I was also really lucky because last week a delivery came from Free Soul. They sent their new peach flavoured greens, so I thought we could try them out together now. They also sent this amazing, what do you call it, beaker? I'm obsessed with beakers and like cups like this, so very, very happy to try that. So I've tried the mango one and it's so good. It literally doesn't taste like greens or like it should be good for you, so I'm hoping this is the same. 1 each teaspoon. Smells like greens. Does not smell peach at all. Malt weights. Let's give it a go. It's a very subtle peach. I think it's probably supposed to be more flavourful than that, but it's supposed to be 250ml, and I think this is way over 250ml, so it's diluted a bit, but very nice, very subtle peachy flavour. And also, I have just ordered some sushi for lunch. How bad is that? We have nothing in the house, so I ordered from a different sushi brand on Deliveroo, and also I had like something through the post the other day that let me get £7 off Deliveroo for the whole of September, which I've only just realised. And it's like the end of September now, so we'll see if this sushi place is any good, and I'll show you what I've got as well. Okay, I have ordered accidentally way too much food. So I got a miso soup. I was just fancying something really like healthy and light and delicious. And then I fancied some sushi, so I got some like prawn rolls, prawn Californian rolls. And I saw that they did like a ramen bowl with like a chicken soup that you pour over like a veg dish, which looks like that. I've never had one of these before. I'm very excited about that. And then to get my order over a certain amount, I had to add on some actual little sushi. So this all came to like £10, like £11. That is so much food. I think I'm definitely going to have enough here for starters before dinner this evening when G gets home. 10 shades of beige today. Look at this outfit. I'll go down. Oh, it's following me. That's cool. Brown, 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 brown. A little bit of beige. This camera's following me around. I think I finally worked out how to use my camera. G is taking me for. Are you taking me for brunch?
Yeah. G's
taking me for brunch today as a lunchtime treat. Friday lunchtime treat. Have you ever gone to the dash? Oh no. You guys, I ordered a new passport literally last week, and I think it's just arrived. It's a black one. Whoa. Have you got one of these?
No.
You've
Old school.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Whoa, there I am. It looks well different. Whoa. There's like a little window into my face. That's so cool. That mode isn't working again now. I don't know how to use this camera. It was following me around last time, but now it's not. What is going on? How about now? Yeah, okay, it's working now. So very, very exciting news is I finished my jumper, and this is the quickest garment I've knitted. It took me under 2 weeks. It took me, I want to say 12 days to make this jumper, and I'm going to show it to you now. Actually, I haven't woven my ends in yet, so I do have a tiny bit more to do on this, but it's finished and I'm so happy with it. So show you what it looks like on. Ignore all my stitch markers there. Oh my god, I love it so much. I can't believe I made this so quick. So yeah, it's a regular jumper. It's a raglan construction, which means that the increases go down here rather than going like cut and then your sleeves. And I've done kind of like flared sleeves with ribbing, and I've done like a cropped body with a tiny bit of ribbing there as well. The idea is, I think when I wash it for the first time, it will kind of grow a tiny bit, so these arms will get the tiniest bit longer. But I love the shape of these arms. They're exactly what I wanted, and I can't believe I made this so quick. So I am going to weave my ends in at some point tonight or now, and then I can wear it tomorrow, because at the moment I've got loads of like floaty bits and I've got all my stitch markers on there. Love it so much, and I've actually ordered the yarn to make it again in a grey and also to make it again as like a t-shirt version as well. What do you guys think? Would you buy this? G said that it's my like best knit to date. It does look store-bought, like there's no mistakes on this. It's so nice. So I am going to pack a bag now for the weekend because G and I have booked a little trip to the seaside town of Deal. If you have been watching me for a while, you will know that I went last year to Deal with G just for one night, and we had the best time ever. So we're going to be going in tomorrow, drive up in the morning and then come back on Sunday. And I'm just so excited for some fish and chips. We're so excited to go to some charity shops, so I'll take you along with me for that. I'm so excited. We found a really nice wine bar there, so to just sit in the wine bar and read a book. I'm going to take my book with me. I've very nearly finished Game of Thrones book 1 now, which is exciting. Can't wait. So I'm just going to pack a bag. I really don't need much. I just need something to wear coming home on Sunday. So I'm going to pack it in my Pepsi tote bag here. This bag is so big and it fits so much stuff in it. Yeah, well, I worked with Pepsi a couple of weeks ago, a couple of vlogs back, and they gifted me this Pepsi t-shirt, and then on the back it has cherry it up, which is so cute. I actually need to sort my hair out here because it's looking a bit of a mess. I'm going out with my mum this evening. I can't really tell you about it now because G were here, so I'll explain that in a minute. So for my birthday, my parents took me to see a play at the National Theatre. It's called The Other Place, and I couldn't tell G earlier because I'd actually already booked this for us to see as part of a secret date months earlier. So I went along with my parents. It was so great. I've already booked to see it a third time. I'm just obsessed with Emma Darcy. So yeah, really recommend if you're looking for a play to see. You can still get front row tickets for £20 on some evenings. It's running until the 9th of November. Fast forward to Saturday morning, and here we are having some fish and chips in the lovely seaside town of Deal. This was way better than the last time. The curry sauce here was so delicious. Hey guys, and welcome to Deal. We are by the seaside and we just checked into our room. We have got like a little suite, which is so cute. It literally feels like a little house. So we've got a seaside view here, and we've got a little living room, which looks like this. So cute. Little kitchenette area, and then our bed, and a little bathroom. So cute. And then let me show you outside in the view. So we have, it's like a ground floor room, so we've got a lot of people walking past. So no funny business in the window, but look at that. Lovely view. And we've just had some fish and chips for brunch, and now we're going to go mooching. I'm going to go to some charity shops, maybe go snuggle down in a pub, read our books. I'm wearing my knitted jumper with some grey trousers. I like this outfit a lot. Love this, but I think the shoulder pads are a bit too big. How cool. We are sat on the beach in the sunshine. So what a lovely day. And I thought I'd show you what I got from the charity shops. I got only a couple of bits, but in one of the charity shops I found a box of knitting patterns, and I could have spent all day looking through those, but I got 3 because it was 3 for £1. So they're all vintage and they're all very 80s, but I love them. This is a Lister Lee mohair cardigan and short sleeve jumper that looks like this. So cool. It's got like a little ruler on the back, and it's got all the instructions. I got this one, which is I think another mohair pattern. 2 cardigans with this kind of cool lacework detail. I don't know how hard these patterns are going to be to understand. Vintage ones are a bit notorious for being hard to read, but exciting. And then got this one. I want to make this. I want to make this like cowl, the balaclava thing for the winter, but the patterns in here are so good. Look. So good, look at this. So I got 3 of those for £1. What a bargain. Oh my god, just look at this. And then I got a shirt for £4. It's a Jasper Conran shirt. It's like cream and striped, like kind of checked. I really like that, and it's kind of like a silky material, so I think that would be a nice basic to wear. So we just had an ice cream on the beach. Now we are gonna go for a beverage drink. That's a new word. Beverage somewhere. I've also got 2 pairs of glasses with me. Maybe I should sport these red ones. What a lovely, lovely day.
But at one point I would say mine run between 80 and...
Hello guys, we are back in London now. We got home, now we're off out again. We had literally got home, dropped our bags, had a cup of tea, had a biscuit, had a cuddle with Maurice, and now we're leaving again because there is a really cool like antique vintage market today on at Walthamstow Trades Hall, so we are going along it, and also my parents are coming, which is nice too. When was the last time you saw my parents? It's been a while, hasn't it? A company called Go East Vintage that run loads of like vintage markets around Walthamstow in East London. Follow their Instagram if you want to come to the next one. I think the next one is, I'm not actually sure what the next one is, but we have been to Walthamstow Trades Hall before for a swing dancing evening, which was so funny because it is literally like a working man's pub, isn't it? It's like very East London, very like no frills. We're gonna go and have a look at some vintage pieces, maybe get we're looking for one particular piece of furniture at the moment. Oh, actually 2. We're looking for a little footstool, and we're looking for a little unit that will fit in our fireplace. So if we happen to find anything like that, that'd be great. If not, it will just be a nice time with my parents looking at some vintagey bits, and I'm sure my dad will be hoping that there's some old vinyl and records there as well, because he loves stuff like that. I am just wearing today a jumper from Uniqlo that really needs de-hairing, and a pair of grey joggers,